this and walking slowly as Imam proceeded. Imam looked at them and Imam dismounted and said, "What are you doing?" He said, "Ya Ali, this is the way how we pay respect to our elders. You are our Khalifa and we pay you. We are your slaves." Imam said, "Unless you ride your horse again, I am not going to ride on the back of my horse, because Allah does not like a man to prove himself in any way superior to others. How can I treat you like slaves? I am but a man like you, and the Khalifa is one who has got double responsibilities. Have you understood this? Ride your horses, or I am going to walk together with you. I don't want this show of slavery." What am I going to answer, my God? It is against all akhlaq. So when we discuss the conduct and behavior, we discuss it in a very fine relevance. The relevance is leading human beings to perfection, so that we live lives which is perfect. If we cannot reach the destination, at least we can reach halfway. But our way, our talks, our laughter, our weeping, our family life, our financial life, businesses, mercantile life, our dealing with common friends, in every aspect, it is Islamic behavior which has got to be reflected. So if you can get Sahifa Kamila. Sahifa Kamila is the dua collection of Imam Zainul Abidin. It has been translated into Gujarati. It has been translated into English. It has been translated into Persian. It has been translated into Urdu, as far as I know. And there could be many other languages. Recently, it has been published by the government of Iran in English with Arabic text together. Sahifa Kamila, dua number 20, is a dua which is called dua of Makarimul Akhlaq. I have myself prepared the audio cassette. It is available. Makarimul Akhlaq, translation in English, and if I don't forget, I don't remember, but it's another translation either in Gujarati or in Urdu. But in English I definitely remember. Available. Rather than early in the morning, as you drive and commute for 20 minutes or 50 minutes, put a song in your recorder and say, "Mullah Sahab, I enjoy it." Put Dua Makarimul Akhlaq and hear our fourth Imam direct us towards beautiful life. One thing is, for my satisfaction, that Allah may accept all efforts that we have made. That when we get a letter from Bombay, one Hindu writes, "I don't know you, but I have got a cassette of yours in which there is a prayer by your fourth Imam about behavior. I play it in my office every day before I commence my business. And I believe that there isn't any religion which has given such a practical directive to the followers as much as Imam Zainul Abidin has given." You will see what type of life Imam Zainul Abidin alayhi salam. Please read, please listen to it, and please study. The cassette is free. I shall give you free, provided you promise me two things. One, that you will listen to it. Second, that you will not erase and record something else. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.